In front of me is Black Shark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on apps section over here. Now scroll again and this time select default apps under general. Tap on one of those sections you wanna manage, in my case browser, and tap on an app you wanna apply. When you finished, just go back and all of your changes will be saved. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!